Guys, I'm Devin with Exotic Aquatic, and this is today's freshwater selection for June 24th, 2022. Let's check it out. And here we have the spotted Congo puffer, a truly freshwater species of puffer. These guys are generally much more peaceful than a lot of your other puffer species, preferring some of the same foods such as mollusk and worms. So you can feed them like small snails, bloodworms, mice, shrimp, anything of that nature. And these guys only get to be about 4 inches, so they're easily enough kept in something 20 gallons or larger. And they do well in both planted and open aquariums. And like I said, unlike many other puffer species, these guys do tend to be a lot more laid back. And truly very, very hard to come by. We very rarely see these guys, but they're amazing every time we do. And here we have the Burmese border loach. Very similar in size and care to the traditional yo-yo loaches. However, they have a beautiful, bold, striking pattern all down their body, as well as these wonderful blue dots that line the whole sides. And just like your typical yo-yo loaches, they're generally going to be bottom feeders, and they love to eat everything from snails, worms, flakes, pellets. They're not particularly picky, and they do love to be in groups. But they are just one of the prettiest loach species out there. Again, that is the Burmese border loach. Here we have a beautiful variety of the standard angelfish that is commonly seen in the black lace angelfish. These angelfish exhibit beautiful dark bodies with bold striping and a lot of pattern in the fins, which is not generally seen in many other angelfish varieties. Care for these guys is the same as any other freshwater angelfish. However, they will grow up to be bold, beautiful, striking animals. Here we have one of the jewels of the African rift lakes in the Gelitochromis cichlids. These guys are a bit of a smaller species from the Tanganyika lake, meaning they like a little bit of a higher pH and a higher alkalinity. However, they do great in groups and are wonderful, beautiful, fun to keep cichlids. Amongst our many beautiful discus here, we have a true standout in the leopard discus. The leopard discus is a color of discus where a lot of the longer stripes are broken up into these beautiful red spots on a wonderful blue background. And these, amongst many other beautiful discus, are available right now. These charismatic little guys are the slender buffalo cichlid. These guys are mostly bottom-dwelling species of cichlid, although like most other cichlids, they do remain very, very active and prefer meatier foods such as bloodworms, brine shrimp, mice shrimp, but will also take to flakes and pellets just fine. And these guys don't get very big, only about 6 inches full grown, and they do great kept amongst other cichlid species, especially since they're good at keeping the bottom clean. Here we have one of the true gems of the guppy world in the red Koi Tuxedo Guppies. These guys are just the same as any of your other fancy guppy varieties. However, they have beautiful striking colors with that beautiful orange head and orange tail, as well as that slate blue body. The males tend to be a bit more colorful than the females, but unlike many other guppy varieties, the females do also retain great color. These guys do great in groups and are very easy and alrighty. I hope you guys enjoyed that look at some of our freshwater fish for the week of June 24th, 2022. And we'll see you all next week.